So everybody just have a look here, and I have a problem which is asked in mains 2021. Okay, see recent year, see mains paper problem from continuity, and this problem is very simple and it is mostly related to the limits. Okay, with the definition of continuity. The question itself is mentioning that f is continuous at x is equals to 0. Since f is continuous at x is equals to 0, see we are clear about the definition. Continuity represents that limit value is equals to functional value. Here f is continuous at x is equals to 0. So functional value f of 0 is equals to limit value. And what is that limit value? Limit extending to 0 f of x. But here specifically, by this definition, x less than 0 we need to use this definition. For x greater than 0 we need to use this definition. So we will calculate this limit by observing left limit and right limit, and functional value f of 0 is directly given as b. Okay, f of 0 is b. F of 0 is b, and this limit extending to 0 f of x. For that we need to calculate left limit as well right limit. Since f is continuous at x is equals to 0, left limit is equals to right limit is equals to functional value. From there we need to calculate. One by one I will do now. First of all, you just think about left limit. It is a bit simple one. Left limit is limit extending to 0. Use this definition for x less than 0 because we are moving with left limit. Okay. So what is this definition? Yeah, sine of a plus 1x plus sine 2x divided by 2x is given. Just split it. So sine of a plus 1x by 2x, sine 2x by 2x, we have plus sign in between them. And we did many problems related to limits. When you observe this, sine of a plus 1x by 2x, sine theta by theta is 0 as extending to 0. So from there it is where we are very clear that this first term gives us a plus 1 by 2. And in the same way here we have sine 2x by 2x of the format sine theta by theta again. So directly this one gives us 1 as a limit. So limit extending to 0, this particular part is a plus 1 by 2 plus 1. And when you simplify, this left hand limit is nothing but a by 2 plus 3 by 2. Just by adding 1 with 1 by 2 and a by 2. This is left hand limit. So we have functional value as b. We have left hand limit as a by 2 plus 3 by 2. Then we need to think about right hand limit. At the end we will equalize all these three to get a, b, and from there a plus b. Now I am just erasing this for the space concern, and I will discuss right hand limit, and that is also very simple if you use a simple rationalization process. Okay, right hand limit. So for right hand limit, limit extending to 0, use this definition. Right hand limit in the sense x is greater than 0, so we need to use this definition. So limit extending to 0, root of x plus bx cube minus root x divided by bx power 5 by 2. To find this limit value, I am just going to rationalize this. That means just change the symbol here, multiply both numerator and denominator. While multiplying in the numerator, you just use a square minus b square formula. So you will get in numerator it is bx cube, whereas in denominator it is bx power 5 by 2 into root of this expression with a sign change. Okay, x plus bx cube minus root x. See, just simply cancel out b and b, and this is x cube and this is x power 5 by 2. So when you try to cancel out this, you left with one more root x in the numerator because it is x power 5 by 2, x power 3 is x power 6, so you left with root x. Since it is root x, denominator from these two terms you just collect one more root x and cancel out those two. At the end, see, I need to write here I have minus. As a process of rationalization, I need to use plus here. Okay. From there, pick out root x as a common thing and cancel with this root x. You left with what in the denominator at the end, and I will just mention here you will have 1 by root of 1 plus bx square plus root x. As x is tending to 0, when you replace, just a minute, I have 1 here. Okay, As x is tending to 0, when you calculate this, you will get 1 by 2. So right hand limit value is 1 by 2. So finally we have right hand limit value as 1 by 2, left hand limit as a by 2 plus 3 by 2, and so functional value is b, equalize these three, and from there you will get what? Directly b value is 1 by 2, because functional value is b, right hand limit is 1 by 2, b value is 1 by 2. And then when you equalize these two, a by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So a by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2, and on simplification you will get what? 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 2, and then I think so minus 2 is your value. A value is what? Minus 2. So a is minus 2, b is 1 by 2. If you add a plus b, you will get the required answer. Okay, have a look.